What's going on, everyone? Today's date is February 9th, 2026. And this will be like kind of, the raw video I'll be uploading to YouTube. So see you guys on YouTube. Gonna be joining on the lives. Yo.
Yo.
Chilling. Alright. Good morning, everyone. How's it going?
I just want to short right now.
Yeah, shorting looks nice.
1530 in burst. Still doesn't make sense how I lost shorting when we only went down.
Yeah, last night.
I literally shorted at 7:45.
Wow.
All I wanted was that end walk though.
I know, I was eyeing that NWOG fill last night too.
20. If I could have traded gold, I would have caught an amazing gold long.
So fucked up, bro. This might give you the push to try take profit trader.
Honestly, I might have to at some point. I might run the 25K soon.
Yeah. The 1 minute ever. That's what I usually run.
Yeah, we should just move lower with the external load.
Yeah. Can you check out gold real quick? Yeah, if you're watching my screen, I'm gonna pull it up in the middle. What is this on the 5 minute? No, it's on the 1 minute. Yeah, I mean, the only thing is I just don't like gold when we're ranging like this. I don't like any pair when we're ranging like this. I like to trade expansion. I personally, what I would do is I would just wait for one of the sides to get taken, either London high or Asia low, and then look to take a reversal off of that to the opposite side. That's just personally what I do, but
no news today either.
Yeah, it might be slow day. Had a nice move overnight as well.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah. Did anyone take any bets this weekend on the Super Bowl? I lost my bet this
didn't.
weekend. You didn't take
I
anything?
didn't take it. Nah.
No, that's good. I took I lost $200 before the fucking game even started, bro.
Jesus Christ.
Oh man, I lost fucking 200 on tails.
Damn.
Yeah. 75
Yo.
pounds on a streaker. That's so fire, bro. Because I was just talking about this with my boy. It makes sense to honestly bet the streaker every time. Like,
I mean, yeah, to be honest, I mean, that
It-
shit happens quite a lot.
like it's a good bet, honestly, to take.
I think someone put 5K on that shit.
Dude, Alex G streaked again.
That is insane.
He fucking streaked again, bro. That's crazy. He got arrested last night.
Bro, the method is to put money on yourself to streak and then go do it.
So I actually talked to my boys about this. We tried figuring it out. Apparently, you can't bet it on DraftKings or FanDuel.
Mm-hmm.
So like you would have to bet it on like a offshore book or whatever, and like if you
Yeah.
knew the person and then they knew like obviously like whatever. But I guess you know, DraftKings and FanDuel have thought about that.
Yeah, that's it.
But yeah, honestly, the streaker bet is super smart.
Yeah, it's honestly pretty good.
I kind of figured that the game was gonna be ass. I don't know. I
mean,
had
yeah,
such
I
a
did as well.
feeling. We could go back and I could show you everything that happened with this trade. Just give it a second to populate in the top left. So you had this entry right here, which is bad because we have these stacked up fair value gaps. So you would never actually take this entry right here, although it had you know, a quick break even spot. But I would never personally take this. We remanipulate the highs. We put in an SMT. We inverse this fair value gap. We have a break even spot right here, and this is the model that we took. We were delivering from a 15-minute fair value gap. Inverse this fair value gap. For some reason, I don't know why the fair value gaps aren't working.
You ready? I bet that you can get
Break
three.
even.
That
Another
you can
entry,
get
and then full TP.
something to eat, right?
No, I'm not going short right now. If you wanted to go short right here, this would have been a great entry, but not right now. You could check the link in our bio, LARP, if you want to purchase it. IFEG Ultimate Plus. Nah, Rick, we haven't even started trading yet. I'm just kind of showcasing the indicator, what had already happened. Where?
Yeah, I think this hourly cap.
I was gonna say, where do you think that we draw towards? Like 013, 015, and then
I think
967.
yeah, 967 probably. After that, then it's like 700
The 15 minute just gave a or
signal.
yeah, but before like the last 15 minute.
Yeah, I thought about it.
Yeah. Yeah, Nick. This is Dodgy's indicator. We're the dev team behind the Dodgy indicator. Like we built it. We custom built it for Dodgy. Yeah. This 15 looks nice.
Yeah,
Kind of see what happens here. Still got 20 minutes till market open, but I mean this looks
Yeah.
heavy. YM just took out swing low, so 968 is taken on YM.
see. Yeah, I mean, so far from the top, we're rounding out of that 1 hour gap.
Mhm. Yeah, that 1 hour looks clean. Just that rejection out, this flip down,
Yeah.
that looks super nice. The 5 minute CISD already.
Yeah.
15-minute inverse. This looks super clean for just lower.
Yo,
What up,
Yo.
Rob?
coolin', man. How y'all feeling?
Chilling.
Good, man. You take any bets this weekend?
Hell nah.
You're a better man than me,
Hell
bro.
nah. I've been in the NBA. That's it.
Fair.
Yeah. Nah, but the Pats got cleaned the fuck up last night. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Yeah, they did.
That shit
They
was
get
embarrassing.
They tried to put a fight up at the end, but there's no point at that point.
Yeah, man. Yeah, way too late. Yo, what is this agreement? What is this? Top Step is wild. What is this? Please follow.
Swept out this like internal low.
Yeah, I recommend these settings right here. Just take a screenshot.
There's just like 5 minute, like 7 a.m. that we could flip like the final gap on this leg, and then just have the draws below us.
Yeah.
Swept the low inside of that 5 minute. He hasn't inversed it, and Q hasn't.
Okay, yeah.
But we have like that internal low at 015, and then 968 is like that final low.
The ultimate draw, yeah. I do want to just preface the SMT. I mean, it may not be significant or anything, but definitely just something to keep in the back of our minds.
Yeah, that's fair. We have this 4 hour gap below that we were coming out of, but like based on the hourly, it doesn't seem like we're gonna hold. On the higher time frame too, we should just be bearish out of that daily gap also.
Oh shit! I didn't even see that daily gap. Damn.
Yeah.
Okay.
We did come above the gap, and now we're trading below the daily gap, which means like it's holding so far. Only thing that wouldn't agree is the 4 hour. The gap that we tapped, but we're in like a high like premium, so I feel like we're definitely gonna trade lower into discount.
Yeah, honestly, I do like discount. Let me.
But once that 968 draw is gone, like our next draw is until 700. That's like almost 300 points away.
Yeah, it's deep.
So ideally, be looking to catch something down to 015 or 968, and then after that, like it'll be kind of hard to short
Yeah.
until
Dude,
we go lower.
do me a favor real quick. Take your fib tool, measure out the top of overnight price action, so like 7:15 last night,
Mm.
to the bottom, like 5:30 a.m., and see where equilibrium lines up.
See, like there's like a small like hourly
For
order
fun.
block there.
Did we
Uh,
did we tap it?
I don't think we haven't tapped equilibrium.
Did you?
see
What are you checking on, MNQ or NQ?
NQ.
Oh, MNQ.
We like edged it on NQ.
I think MNQ, bro. We literally ticked it. Like literally made equal highs.
Yes,
with
hit
it.
golden pocket perfectly. Yeah, yes, hit the golden pocket perfect on the retrace.
Yeah, I think
You
we
said
did.
MNQ ticked it.
I think so. Like I'm 99% sure. Yeah, it looks the exact same on my screen.
I mean, even if none of them did, I mean, ES tap 705 like perfect
So then that's good.
at the
Yeah.
top. Yeah. Right now,
Yeah, we custom built indicators and stuff. Lesh.
ES already flipped, so we just need to see NQ like catch up.
Yeah.
And then from there, then we can frame short lower. Let's see. It's got like 12 minutes for the open. In terms of like manipulation up off the open, I can't really see any area where we should manipulate up because we already tapped the 1 hour and then flip the 15 down.
Yeah, I would expect just 9:30 to flush. Honestly, no real
Yeah, or
manipulation.
like some shallow like retrace to go lower. But
Yeah.
like ES also tapped like this 15-minute order block they made where let me see.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
the same candle that flipped on E or on NQ, that inverse ES made like an order blocker, like the CISD. I would say it's the CISD because it tapped that 1 hour.
Wait, say it again. The one. Sorry.
On ES, we made like a 15-minute change in state. I would think it's a change in state because we tapped the hourly, and then we wicked the
yes.
change in state perfectly.
Oh,
coming
yeah.
off of it.
Yeah, you're right, 100%. I want to see this 15
Seems-
minutes just completely flush at open, like just up until market open, just completely flush. Just
Watching this 5 minute, if we get it closed below this like internal low we're going towards, I think we're good. And I think you can just kind of take any continuation from this point.
Agreed.
I
Yeah.
mean- I'm in just on evals then. I do have like a wider stop for it.
But
I think I have like 1 on it, so it's like half the buffer. Whatever. But I do like this play.
you have SMT at the highs too. All the way at the
Yeah,
high.
at London.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like an internal one, very hard. It's kind of hard to spot out. I did see that pre-market. See what happens. Ideally, I'm gonna go break even at that 015, and then for the half pass, have to hold to like 987. See.
But
We did close that 5 minute and close that low as well. There. ES may take that internal low first.
yeah,
Well,
break
looks like
even.
it definitely.
Yeah,
Yeah, I think so.
break even at that internal.
Yeah, break even once ES takes it. Hoping that's not like some kind of a rejection whip, but couldn't see why it would be. I'm using the trade of 8 again.
Yeah, 1 minute, 5 minute. It works for every single time frame. R.
Once ES takes, I'm just gonna take all the risk off. I would have waited for like the market to open, but we are kind of like just
Yeah, we're just moving right
displacing here.
now. Yeah.
You already in the trade?
Yeah, I'm sure on like some combines.
Okay.
Shorted at 062.
Oh, 6-2. Okay.
Ran like a wider sub. My TP for this has to be here for the combines. I'll go break even once ESR and Q takes out this internal low that we're next to.
Mm-hmm.
Got 1.4R. See. Hopefully I don't get caught by a retrace. It'd be a heavy retrace if I get caught though. That'd be insane.
Yep.
A wide stop on this. So if I come short one mini and these accounts are up like 400, like if they're normal accounts, that'd be a great
Wow.
P&L for the day.
Yeah. Alright, yeah. What up, Jonah?
However you sizing on evos right now. The bonus
I'm-
section
I have
movement.
like half risk up, so like I have 1,000 of risk up on this trade. Usually I'll just full port it then, but just put up one mini, like see if I get 70 points. Our ranges should still be kind of
Usually 5 micros to 1 mini, Jobo.
not have any news. Want to check the VIX. VIX is spiked up 5.7% on the day already.
Wow.
Should see some volatility. I mean, this week is CPI, but even crazier, it's on a Friday, so I feel like the market's gonna be moving hard, and then Friday it's gonna like, it's either gonna fucking dump hard as shit or go high. Like, it's gonna do some crazy shit on Friday. I feel like throughout the week we're gonna move like a lot, and then CPI is gonna give like one good final big move.
I would agree.
Because you don't typically get CPI on a Friday. Pretty
Yeah,
odd.
it's on Friday this week, which is kind of weird.
Yeah, it's like we have a whole week of price action, but I can't see like price action just stalling leading up to it.
I would have to agree, honestly.
It's gonna be interesting for sure. So of course. Still waiting for ES to take that internal low so I can break even. If it ever does.
Yeah, every day we're live. Time frame. This is the 1 minute. Noam.
925. I think I might get manipulated out.
Wow.
Potentially. We'll see.
Yeah.
Still a ways to my stop, but I don't like that ES did not take that low out.
Yeah. I don't like that rejection. That's a crazy bump up. I don't even know how to pronounce your name. When you buy the indicator, I recommend you join our free Discord. So there's like our free Discord link and then the indicator in the link in bio. I recommend you join the free Discord, check out the futures chat, and then go to the pinned messages. And then that's the best settings. Those are the settings that I personally use. So like I'm in charge of marketing and, you know, showing you guys the indicator, and those are the best settings that I found to, you know, find with the indicator. So I recommend you kind of use those. You know, it's really, really good. But yeah, I recommend you you do that. Join the free Discord and then check it out from there.
Wow.
All right, well, that 1 minute flip that we just got there was not cool, but
Yeah, the 2 minute.
according
held.
to any higher time frame, yeah, the higher time
3 minute.
that
Yeah.
15-minute wick.
Hopefully this holds.
I think it's right.
You think?
I mean, nah. Like I think ultimately we're gonna go lower, but I might get caught in the retrace for the opening manipulation.
That's fair.
Now, where we can manipulate to, honestly, not sure. I mean, on ES we have like a small 15-minute gap, but we don't have it on NQ. I don't know if the micros have it or not.
On the 15-minute gap?
Yeah, like above us.
Nah, no gap.
Yeah, so it's just ES that has a gap, right where that like order block is on the 15.
Yeah. I peeped that. I
Yeah.
see that. I mean, this SMT also at the low could be significance as well, but we'll see.
Yeah, it could. Yeah. We got 2.5 minutes to open. Do I get to hang in this position until then, or do they rinse me out? I can't believe ES just edged the internal like that is.
That was gross.
That was 1 point. 1 point away. Holy.
Wow.
It's over.
Jeez.
1 minute inverse of doom. I still just think we go lower based on the hourly, like that previous hourly wick out of the gap, and then like I feel like now we just distribute.
No, I would agree too. I think we do still go lower.
Let's see. This 5 minute candle has no wick. Like this 925 open.
Good shot.
ES also has no wick.
Give me the dump. Give me the dump.
Midnight marked out, but I think midnight's above us for sure. Today, weekly open midnight. We come off midnight. Let's see. I was just wanting to see if we ever like rejected midnight overnight. Like in London we did. Honestly. Just flush, I guess.
Let's see what happens
Opens.
here.
Mm.
Flush it. Flush it.
Flush, flush, flush.
SMT at
There we
15
go.
at last 15-minute high, yeah. This is gonna
He's gonna
flush
take the
hard.
internal out before he is. I'll go break in with the internal now. Once it hits. If it hits. Are we gonna edge?
Okay, even I got an entry too.
Alright.
On that retrace. Yeah.
I'm out at 987. Oh, I'm out. Alright.
Good shit, fellas.
Jesus Christ.
Easy fucking trade.
Oh.
Good shit. Stupid easy.
And
So,
Winner, chicken dinner.
yep, and there's the final low that was gonna start.
Drum.
Now the next
There we
low
go.
is it's lower. So in my opinion, we either see if we start to reverse from here, or if we remain heavy, you would look for continuation once we get closer to 700. But for now, we have SMT at this low. It's crazy because how did NQ take the lows first? Like, that is insane.
Insane, bro.
easy.
Ooh, fuck! Almost didn't get rid of my order. I forgot on trade of 8. You have to do that. Let's see. We have this S&P.
Okay. That was easy. Yeah, I took that to London Mo, and that was it.
Yeah, that was kind of crazy. We
Wow.
just 1 minute candle straight down to the draws.
Yeah. See his reaction to the.
SMT.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, so
SMT
far we're kind of
closes.
holding. Look, S&P. Yeah.
I want to get a continuation lower to 820, 821. But we'll see how this plays out. It's either that or it's going to inverse. I'll probably enter on the 32nd. If it does. Maybe the New York AM.
Get rid of these. Yeah, ideally to go lower, I guess I would want to see ES take out that low that NQ took and get rid of the SMT, and then see us continue from there. But so far we're kind of holding this SMT.
Yeah, ES looks strong.
Yeah, Jesus, it flipped the whole candle.
Yeah.
If longs do appear, like the most makes sense draw is like the pre-market highs at what is it, like 155.
156. Yeah.
Yeah, around there. And then if we go higher from there, you have London, and then kind of like that low resistance into Asia.
SMT at New York AM high.
I should have just did 10 cons instead of 5.
We're inside of this 1 minute here. ES flipped it though, so I wouldn't like take anything off of it.
No, yeah, nothing yet. At least.
It's gonna be hard to take anything lower for sure right now.
Agreed. Yeah, agreed.
We'll see. Maybe we do reverse and then Q's just behind a bit because we're starting to catch up here.
Yeah. Is there anything on the 2 minute? No, just the 1 minute here.
Honestly, the pre-market highs for ES do look pretty nice through this range that we're in.
Got a flip here. CISD about to come up right now on the 32nd.
Yeah, the change of state would confirm this reversal.
Yeah.
ES got it. If NQ gets it, then I would assume NQ is just behind ES. What's YM doing right now? If YM's like
YM's
starting to
ranging.
go lower,
Yeah.
okay, range. If YM starts to like grind lower while we flip up here, that would be good as well.
If we get a close here on this 32nd, I'm gonna take a stab at longs.
On the higher time frame, we technically like reswept like this 4-hour low inside the gap, and then failed to do so on ES, making the SMT.
Mm-hmm.
So right now, like this 4 hours still holding.
We got a 1 minute order block tap. So I like shorts now.
Yeah,
and I'm taking it.
I don't fully love longs, honestly.
Yeah, no, we're gonna need more to confirm long for
I
sure.
fucked up. I entered too many contracts. Let's see what happens.
Good shit, Joe.
Stop me out, though.
I think for me, even if we do start to short, like we have to get closer to any of these like draws lower. Like either 820 or like 800 or 700.
Yeah.
We also need to correlate too. ES is way stronger. But that's a crazy wick, the 5 minute left at the bottom though, off the SMT.
We got the dodgy entry right here. It's technically A+, but I don't know if I fully love it, honestly. I don't like the SMT at the opposing side. I'm fading this entry right here, everyone. I'm not taking this. Take this at your own risk. You would be break even at New York AM high. You could do a stop like at this 5-minute fair value gap, target like a 1-to-1, but I'm personally not taking this.
Yeah, I don't like how the candles are closing or how they close it.
No, I don't like this. I really don't. Don't even take this, everyone.
I messed up.
Yeah, why I'm just manipulating New York PM low, SMTs at the low internally now.
Cool.
Nice, that was a nice strong reaction.
Yep.
You'd be break even if you guys did take that long.
Still not convinced. I need like
We're starting to get strong here.
yeah. There we go. That's what I needed.
Changing state finally on NQ.
Yep.
Oh,
Now I'm in long.
see. Yes, looks like it'll go for those pre-market highs before NQ, unless NQ just starts to catch up. But we are starting to move correlated a little bit here.
Yes, sir, Pate. We try to be as legit as possible. You know, just give out as much free information and knowledge as possible. It would be full TP if you did take this long. It would be the 1-to-1.
Sheesh. Alright, we're definitely strong here. Jesus Christ. We might not SMT at the pre-market highs. We'll see though.
I mean, we're correlated now. Honestly, I missed it. I personally missed it, but this I think is the move. This is nice and strong, just straight V.
Yeah, off the SMTs and everything.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Wow.
The only thing is it just contradicts like the higher time frame where it's like the daily should be distributing lower.
I know.
I mean, again, we could very well flip the daily. Like it doesn't have to hold. We could, continue to V-shape the daily and flip it up. But
Yeah.
It's right there.
I am still thinking about that, like that weekly time frame scenario, that SMT down there, the wick fill. Now this weekly candle is like, we'll really see like what direction we want to go
True.
based on what the weekly did last week. Yeah, I mean, this sweep at the low, the SMT, and then this flip up is insane.
Yeah.
This is about to take pre-market highs here.
Yeah.
The next draw would be London, which is at the top of the daily gap.
This is a crazy move. Wow.
Yeah, it is.
Just get to it.
Bro, it's insane too, because where I ended up like that low, like that TP for that low could have also been a soup entry, which is insane.
Yep. I think about that all the time. I'm not gonna lie.
Like that is actually insane. See, but for soup entries, I don't understand how you're supposed to run stops, because like just running a fixed 10-point stop makes no sense.
Yeah, that's kind of what people just do. I don't agree with it either. I'm not fully a fan.
It's like that's like saying, oh yeah, I probably shouldn't go into 10 points of drawdown on this.
Yeah.
Which like that's not how it works.
Yeah, I agree.
All right, looks looks like, or SMT at the high, but I think you should take it here.
Come on now. Should be a couple more points.
SMT at the top.
Stop playing with me. If we get a pullback, I'm gonna be so sick. Jesus Christ.
I feel like when we're this close, like you should take it. I feel like that
Yeah.
SMT wouldn't hold.
There's no way, right? There's no way.
See if
We
this
do
1
have
minute gap
SMT.
holds.
We do have SMT, Rob. It's
Mhm.
you know.
Okay.
C, I'm not sure what your name is, but that was a good shout in the Discord. You caught the E. You caught all the LRL. That was really nice. The indicator is Dodgy's IFG Ultimate Plus. It's in the middle of your screen.
I tried to fill a paper and she wouldn't let me. I'm
I'm
just gonna
long.
put the brackets up where I would have entered at.
There we go. Give me some. Show me something good.
Once NQ, if NQ takes a high, we get rid of the SMT up there. And then you have like London high, and then you have midnight opening price at 187, and then Asia 266. The only thing would be, honestly, would just be this daily gap. We just came back to it or edged it.
Yeah. TP. So I use 2 separate indicators, but if you wanted, so the only reason I use 2 separate is because this one is just like I've used this since I've literally started trading. But if you wanted to, for liquidity, like we have a fully built out liquidity section. So if you wanted, I could literally turn this off, right? It gets rid of all the draws and liquidity and everything, all the session highs and session lows. So I could go into the settings of the indicator, turn on all of these settings right here. Midnight open, 9:30 open, 8:30 open, all of this shit, and then wait for it to populate a second, and it'll show you that it'll populate all the session highs and session lows. So you don't even need to have the 2 indicators. You just need to have, you know, the IFEG one, and it'll do everything for you. So you see how now all the session highs and session lows are completely marked out for you. We have 8:30 price right here. So what I recommend is, you know, just using just the IFEG Ultimate Plus. You don't even need to use, you know, anything else, but just, you know, preference. But you know, that's just preference at the end of the day.
The only area to take risk off.
You can't use it on Top Step. It's only for Trading View. It's for Trading View only. Is this on? Yeah, this is IFEG Ultimate Plus.
Got my profit target. Lock out for the day. There we go. Easy.
W.
Love it, love it, love it. All day, lock me out.
And this entry would have been break
Like
even.
that.
Do you know what the max payout on the Lucid Flexes are, Jen?
I think 3K or 2K per account.
Bet.
You would have to double check, honestly. I'm not sure. 2K, Adam says.
2K. Bet.
I picked up one black account. I have a black account. I have my top one futures account, and then I want to get more take profit traders. Those are my favorite.
That's
Bro.
valid. I do need to try out TPT.
Wait, you like TPT?
Oh, I love TPT, bro. It's my number one favorite firm.
Oh, where did that candle come? Oh,
Damn.
Oops.
Wow.
The
Jesus.
fuck going on here?
well, that trade would have been break even regardless of anything off of that candle or even the. Yeah, that was insane. What was that?
D, it's in the middle of your screen. IFG Ultimate Plus. You could check the pinned video, or you could check the link in our bio to purchase it.
Oh, I did not realize.
See, from that SMT at the bottom to the top, we moved what 230 points. True.
Yeah, we just straight up. Jesus.
Yeah. I guess Nvidia announced something about. Let me see. It was pre-market, but I thought that the market would have like reacted in the pre-market too, but I guess not. But it was something about like a multi-billion-dollar deal with XAI.
Oh, Nvidia. Yeah.
Yeah, but I guess that's XAI is like Elon's company or whatever.
Oh, someone just said.
So Nvidia's just up 4% off of that.
Yeah. Wow. Cutthroat. Yeah. I don't like really Top Step anymore. I mean, especially with all the rule changes that they've done and, the shit that they've pulled in the last few months. TPT is personally my favorite because of the daily payouts. When you also look at Top Step, you're really only getting 50% of everything that you make. So if you make 10K, the max withdrawal you can take out is 50%. Is 50%. That's kind of like a hidden rule, like you only get half of whatever you make. TPT is full blown 80%. So if you make 5K for the day, you'll get paid out 80%. You'll get paid out 4K that day. It's just way better. There are little challenges, like a little challenge you have to get over. It's intraday trailing drawdown until you get past the buffer. But I mean, once you get past the buffer, that thing is the same exact thing as a live account, except it's just an 80% profit split. The buffer on TPT. So I like to use the 25K accounts. They're personally my favorite because the only difference between a 25K and the 50K is obviously the more money you have to make on the 50K to pass the eval, and then the more money on the buffer. But the only difference is that you get more access to more minis. So like in my situation, I don't personally use more than really 3 minis on a trade. So that's why I use the 25K accounts. The 25K is just 1,500 to pass. So I do 750 one day, 750 the next day, and then 3 micro day flips. And then to pass the buffer, it's just 1,500. It's the same exact amount as your drawdown.
Damn, I looked down for 1 second.
Yeah,
what is
We tapped midnight
Diddy
open
candle
here
of death.
on NQ. Yes, did not tap midnight open. Then we tap back into that daily gap as well.
So anything above the buffer you get to take out. So if you're on a 25K and your buffer is 1,500, like anything above 1,500 you could take out. So if you make 2.5K, you could take out 1,000. Yeah, and then of that 1,000, you get 80%.
Have a crazy flip up there off of midnight.
Yeah, it's very good, Hyman. If you could get past that trailing drawdown, bro, that buffer, dude, it's insane. It's one of my favorite accounts.
Yeah, I just can't do that trailing shit. That's not for me. I'm not gonna lie.
It's tough,
Trailing does kind of suck.
but also if you think about it, there's no consistency rule. So you could literally make it all on the first day. You know, you could potentially make 10K on the first day and take out their max withdrawal, 10K.
Actually, you know what it is? I don't understand the trailing shit. So like this trade, I was up 1,000 before and it was just sitting there. How fast does it trail? I guess that's probably a better question. Because I was sitting in this last trade to New York AM high for like, I don't know, a couple minutes maybe. How fast does it trail? And then it dropped back down to maybe like 300 in the middle of the trade. Am I already like, did it trail that fast or what is this? I
Yeah.
don't understand this.
So the way it
How that
works
works.
is, so you're obviously, you have, you know, like whatever you, if you're in your position and then you go up, you know, $500 and you move your stop loss to break even, it's
Mhm.
so you're like liable for that $500 that you're up. So it's kind of like, I don't know how to explain it. Like your buffer, your max loss limit is 1,500 when you first start off. If you go into a trade and you're up $500 and you get stopped at break even, your max loss limit is now minus 1,000, even though your account value didn't change. You're still liable for that money that you were up in the trade.
Jeez.
Yeah, it kind of
Okay.
sucks. That's why, like, what I recommend is just go for, you know, 3 1-to-1s for $500. Just risk 500 and just go for 3
Uh,
1-to-1s.
okay. Yeah, because this one I was a little over 1,200. It came down to what's this 25 points. So like it came down to 500 from 1,200. So at that peak of 1,200, it would have trailed me within that 1 minute candle or that 30. That was a 30-second candle. It would have trailed that.
It would.
Jesus, yeah,
It's
that's not for me.
it's instantaneous. Yeah, so you got to be quick.
Yeah.
That's 2022 model to 50%. I would have to agree. I wish I had we just built out a 2022 model for ICT Keswick, but I guarantee you, it caught this. Jordan, if you don't mind, do you mind just checking if it caught it? You don't have to say anything. Just drop it in the chat if you want. But I'm 99% sure it should have caught this. This would have been a good trade off of equilibrium of overnight price range too. I believe we just start dumping from here. Could we get a preview of 2022 model? If Jordan could grant me access, I could definitely show you guys. This indicator that you see on your screen right now is $40 a month. Let's go, Biddle. Good stuff, bro. Yep, good luck.
We tapped
Thank
the
you, Biddle.
5 minute
Appreciate it.
candle.
It didn't alert it yet? No problem. Okay. There must be something then that I'm missing for it not to alert. Because it's super mechanical. Best prop, I think TPT. Take Profit Trader. It's my favorite. See, I
This
don't know.
volatility is insane.
Yeah, I don't even know what's going to happen from here now. It might just continue higher. I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, we got the 5 minute gap tap. So see what we do off of that. Got London highs above.
True. Good point.
But like
good
we're not
point.
making like a clean move from the 5. I mean, we're moving off of it. I mean, maybe if this 1 minute were to flip, it would have to be like a scalp up to London, but we're not moving quick enough. I'm stalling a bit.
Back to the real world.
I don't even know if this 1 minute flip would give like a decent RR up to London. Be like exactly a 1R if it closes perfect enough. But I don't really like how we're moving out of the 5 minute.
Yeah, that's strong.
Would you consider that? I don't even know what you would call this, because this is a choppy way up between like 938 and 946. Would this be a CISD to the downside? It's not clean enough for me to consider it, but I don't know.
I mean, technically, yeah. Like you could look at it
Yeah,
that way.
yeah, that's what I hate. It's like you can make a
But it's like if we were to reshort, it would have to be back to low of day where the SMT is.
yeah.
We'd have to short back down 200 points to get there. We are also like now we're like super in between on the higher time frame because like we have like bearish high time frame levels that we're reacting to, but then we're also reacting to like bullish levels.
I was
It's
gonna
like
I was gonna say we took out, you know, range lows. We have SMT
and
there.
high.
Took out range
Yeah.
highs. I mean, the only thing really that I can see us doing is just going for London high, but I don't even know when we would go for that.
Yeah, I mean on the high time frame, we're just in between like basically in between two barriers where it's like price is just gonna start to like tighten inside until we break on one end.
Yeah.
Like on the daily, it's like technically you could be bearish because of that daily gap. But then when you lower your time frames down to like a 4 hour or like, 1 hour, you can make the argument that we can go higher. So it's like there's no alignment between the time frames right now. Ideally, you want your higher time frame, like you'd want the daily to align all the way down to a 1 minute, ideally.
TP, just give it about 5 to 10 minutes. It'll automatically update in your invite only section of TradingView. If not, just close TradingView and then reopen it, but it will update within 5 to 10 minutes. We have two low monthly nodes. NQ is stuck in. Wow, bro.
Basically, you can't short because it's 5 minutes. It would have to flip first, and then you would have to see if it actually holds, and then you can't ideally long because we're not really confirming like the move up yet from that 5 minute. We're starting to like slow down.
Yeah,
Let's see, do we have
looks
any?
good.
I know we have like red folder throughout the rest of this week, I think. Yeah, like tomorrow we have 8:30 red folder. It's kind of crazy. Yeah, we have red folder every day leading the CPI. Interested to see how this week runs.
Yo, I'm waiting for CPI, baby. I'm ready. You ready, Hyman? I'm so excited, bro. Oh, word. Yo, you should buy, actually, nah. Yeah. You ready, Hyman? I'm ready, bro.
Bro, I always forget that like you can type inside of the Discord chat.
Yeah.
It's like I need to get a third monitor at this point, I think.
I'm not gonna lie, I was considering it too. I think I'm gonna upgrade my monitor to like, you know, the 40-inch curved or the 49-inch
Yeah.
curved.
Yeah, like the like big ass Samsung monitor.
Yeah, like the big one.
Yeah.
I
Dude,
think
the chart on that shit, you can like you can see like
can-
weeks of price action
Yeah,
on that shit.
yeah.
That shit is fucking insane.
I think I'm gonna get that monitor and then just turn one of the monitors that I have right now into like a vertical monitor for the chat and stuff.
See, I would have got that huge curve monitor if I didn't play video games.
Oh, okay, fair. You can't play
'Cause,
video
like,
games on it?
You can, it's just gonna look like imagine like a 50-inch curve monitor on like COD.
True, true.
So I got these like Samsung OLED monitors.
Yeah, you got OLEDs?
Yeah.
OLED's sick, bro. I want to get an OLED monitor. That's like what I want.
The colors are insane on OLED.
Especially when it's black, right?
Yeah, like the blacks on it are like super dark.
It's
So, like,
black.
yeah. Like games look crazy or like movies or even just like streams, YouTube, anything.
Yeah, that's tough. That's
I
so
got an OLED TV, and it's probably one of my favorite purchases ever.
You got an OLED TV?
OLED is fire.
Yeah,
That's so fire.
yeah. Watching movies at night is super fire on that joint.
I just upgraded my sound system in my room. I bought a subwoofer, 2 tweeters, and then a soundbar. So I put the subwoofer underneath my bed, bro. Bro, when I'm watching
Oh
movies,
yeah,
dude, when I'm watching movies,
that is
bro,
a movie.
it
son.
fucking shakes my entire house, bro. It's so crazy.
That is fucking
So you right inside that bitch.
Dude, I got the 2 tweeters above my headstand, bro, above my headboard, right above my ears, bro, and then the soundbar placing right in front of me. Oh, it's so loud.
bro's trying to speed run deafness.
It's crazy because I have the E92 too, bro. I don't know why. I love
bro's about to have
loudness.
hearing aid at 30. Also, we're starting to range completely, so I would say like at this point I wouldn't even be looking to take anything at all
Yeah, nah.
Yeah,
in price now.
that shit did not do anything.
We got the original like move down through the like low resistance and then a flip back up towards the range high and then stalling from there.
We did get a second tap into the 5-minute, but the way this shit is looking right now, it's
Yeah.
not even
1
worth
minute is
it.
making a barcode inside of the 5-minute.
Yeah.
Let me see. Like the 1 minute's making 40-point candles, yet it's still ranging, which is like that's bad.
Yeah, it's disgusting.
Yeah, 40-point range is back and forth is crazy.
This is like a scalp trader's like dream right here.
Yeah.
How do you guys like the monitor, Ronnie and Penguin? How do you guys like it? They got the curved one.
Or
Penguin says that he plays.
Yeah,
2K.
I got a curved. Yeah, I got a curved.
I could definitely see any other game besides like,
32
first
inch
person.
that I use.
You like that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That might be solid, honestly. Yeah. See, I could see like the curved monitor being fine for anything like any other game besides like first person shooter games.
True. Yeah.
If you don't go too big, the curved is still great for gaming. Like I used this one back when I was playing games, but 32 is probably like this might be a 34, 32 or 34, but that'd be like the max if you were like really gaming with it.
Yeah, that makes sense. I think these ones I have are 27s.
We did get the entry signal on Dodgy there, but
Yeah, I did see it.
I don't like.
I mean, technically broke that little range on it too. Like it would just be like a very low risk if you were to take the super low risk.
What the
Yeah.
fuck?
What did I just hear, bro?
Bro,
What the fuck?
Someone just had a baby out of their out of their mouth with that one. That was crazy.
Bro.
Order filled, I guess.
Older film.
I've never heard Ivan laugh this much.
Yo, that was
That was an order
fucking crazy. Yo. Then Jan got perplexed, bro. Said, "What the fuck?"
Nah, that was crazy work.
I guess that little range break did work with that inverse.
My bad, Sheena.
Mhm.
Sat there consolidated and then finally broke out of that small ass 1 minute range to flip the gap, and
Yeah.
it's like you'd be break even there, and then you would hold to London.
That 10:04 break candle probably would have been my entry long to London if I was still trading.
Yeah,
Yeah,
this,
that's like a solid
Especially
low
since
risk
we
entry.
didn't me. Yeah.
That's an entry I'd probably, if I were to take that, I would take it like with half size, just because it's solid, but then
Yeah.
also just because price is little. Yeah, it
Mhm.
definitely looks like it's gonna
And
play
it's,
out as well.
it's damn near 1-to-1. 50
Yeah.
points down and up.
bada
Yeah, this should
bing,
just go straight
bada
through London right
boom.
here.
Yeah.
Man, this is retarded. This is so good, bro. Holy shit. Insane.
Here goes.
Not copying DD Matrix. We're the devs behind the indicator, brother.
Oh, it's edge of London like a month.
Yeah, this is an indicator. We're the devs behind it. We developed the indicator with Dodgy.
Not London. I mean, I guess at 209, it's like a tiny order block, the last candle. But that's why I usually don't go all the way to the edge, like the actual point of it. I usually go to either the candle close or the last order block, just so I don't get like a crazy reaction to it. But
Yeah, it's fair.
Fair. Yeah.
I don't know how we're just edging that high.
I swear, if this
Yeah.
edges it, that would be nuts, bro.
There's no way. There's no way it's not just gonna take that high.
Yeah. 209.25 is the order block. And it touched it 3 times and rejected it. That's where I would put my exit at if I was.
Got you.
But it usually like if it's like close to the draw, then it'll like reject for a little bit and then fly through. But I just don't like waiting for that shit. That shit stresses me the fuck out.
Yeah, no, that's fair.
That's totally fair.
Igazán intenzív élményre vágysz. Próbáld ki a megújult Gio Intensízeiket.
No way it edges London High, bro. No way.
Yeah.
But is
there
it
is.
actually gonna edge London like that?
No way.
Bro, every day I trade, I like stand my desk up and stand. I'm about to sit my ass down.
You've been standing this whole time?
Yeah.
That's kind of fire, bro. I kind of want to get that desk, bro.
That's
You get your
standing-
blood
yeah.
circulating.
And get one of those walking pads or whatever.
The walk-in
Yeah.
then. Yeah.
That'd be sick too. That'd probably be like the one addition to make. That'd be like top tier.
No, London didn't take this high yet. We're still waiting. Yeah, no, I would enjoy that, honestly. It would be a nice addition to just have, you know.
Yeah. Cause like around like once we hop in like the live call, then like I'll stand the desk up and I'll just be standing.
Yep.
Throughout the whole session.
Got a good reaction to the 1 minute.
Yeah, hopefully.
That means in the
it's-
future when I do face cam lives, then everyone get to see me do cartwheels because I'll be standing. And I TP and
Yeah.
do cartwheels through my room.
Yeah. Yo, Ronnie's balling, bro. He's got all three: the walking pad, the standing desk, and the 49-inch curve monitor.
Jesus Christ. Bro's balling.
Nah, that's so fire.
Yeah, no, walking
bro.
pad would be a sick addition, actually. I never thought of that. You know, let me actually look that up.
I'd be chilling. Ronnie, what do you
Hey,
do,
it's
bro? You trade?
Ronnie.
You trade too? I mean, I assume if you're sitting in this live, you trade.
It's a good guess.
It's a good guess.
One would assume. Someone asked if ES took the high. ES did not take the London high. Should go for the high here.
Engineering school. That's fine.
Yeah, almost.
No way. it edges
No
in the-
way. Just,
No way.
There's
That's
no
insane.
way. So
It took out the
that's
internal high and still left London. That's pretty insane.
That's crazy work. TPT is the best for me because as soon as I see even percent of profit, I'm in a position I'm closing. I have no drawn liquidity. Oh, okay, yeah, I see. I see. For me, like building the buffer, I kind of, and this isn't, I don't recommend you guys obviously follow this, but I do like over leverage a little bit on the first trade. I'll be super patient for my first trade, over leverage a little bit to try and build the buffer, and then honestly get a payout the first day, but only small, like $200-300 or whatever, nothing crazy, but. Filtering out trades, I recommend first off using my settings. So everything above liquidity, I recommend you copy. Everything else underneath it is going to be fully customizable for what you want to see. After that, I would recommend you just familiarizing yourself with Dodgy's IFEG strategy. And then that's really it. Dude, there's no way we actually edge this London high. Holy shit.
If that
That's
internal
bad
SMT with
vibes.
ES holds, that's gonna be insane. Wait, micros didn't take
Yeah.
out that internal high?
No. Not
True.
it made equal highs, yeah.
Minis took
We
it out barely.
we didn't close.
Like,
We didn't close in 1 minute.
yeah,
If I was
there's
in
no
there,
way
my
we just
break even
leave that
would be
London
at.
high right there. That's insane as
Yeah,
fuck.
it's just too close for. Yeah, my break even would be at like 164.5. Yeah, fuck that. That's this is exactly why I aim for order blocks. I can't do this shit.
Yeah, I don't know
What's
how we're just edging right there. It makes no sense.
did damn near it came up 48 out of 50 points and then came all the way down to 10 points. Like fuck that. I almost exited that long to New York AM early just because of that pullback, but lucky I stayed in.
It's crazy because I guess that like original inversion at the bottom, you could have just been holding.
Yep. Crazy, bro.
Let's see, surely we go for the London high
Right?
for this rejection.
Surely we go for
Had to.
London high. It's almost guaranteed we go for London high.
Yo. It's gonna edge it by a tick and then reverse 180 points.
Oh my god, bro.
Diddy candle with death. Come on.
Nah, Diddy candle with death is crazy work.
And the lives are popping every morning.
Oh yeah, bro. Dude, nah, bro.
Yeah,
Right.
nah. They playing yo, this is so unserious. I swear to God.
It's gonna do it right here. It's gonna spike it. It doesn't
Bro, if
have a
I was in
choice.
this trade, my
This-
toes,
yo, when
my
this is-
toes would be so curled right now.
Yo, this is
Yo.
insane. My nigga, what is going on right now?
Oh nah, this is crazy.
Jesus Christ. Yeah, I probably would have stress exited right here. Like this is I can't do
Yo,
this.
oh, there it
Okay,
is,
there
there
we
it
go.
There
Alright.
it is. TP smash.
Jeez. The sweatiest edge of all time.
That's actually crazy how I did that.
That was nuts.
Let me see. And I usually look on the 30 seconds. So edged it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. Jesus Christ. Yeah.
And of
Now
course,
we're-
now that it takes it, it's just gonna go right.
Now we're just gonna
Yeah, now
fly
it's
to
gonna fly.
Asia. Yeah.
Asia, yeah.
Oh,
There it is. You've been in this since 163.
oh yeah, the entry, the dodgy signal.
Oh, good shit, bro. Yeah, you got the dodgy indicator. Good shit. Here comes Asia.
Yeah, that was my practice entry. 164. Wait,
Good
this
luck, Joe.
I mean,
Peace out, bro. Today was a good day, bro.
Yeah, that's pretty solid.
mm-hmm. Basically cut it on both sides.
I was done at the 9:30.
Down to London and then the inverse up to New York area. Delete these.
We do have S&T at London High for right now, but I think ES will come up for it.
Yeah,
That
Lippo.
S&T at the bottom, bro. That S&T at the bottom was insane.
Oh, that was so nice.
It
Yeah.
actually sent us.
Yeah, Lippo. If you change the time frame, like this is the 2 minute, we should populate at the 2 minute. Oh, we didn't, but yeah, it changes for the time frame that you're on. I found the 1 minute to be the best, in my opinion.
Met the love of my life last night. I'm not gonna lie.
You did?
Yeah. Until next
That's
time,
amazing.
of course.
Until next time. Yeah.
Miami is not a real place.
Yeah, nah, I only use the 1 minute for my entries. I'll use the 1 minute, 30 second, and 15 second. I'll rarely use the 5 minute for entries, but the 1 minute I found to be the best. It's super precise. I mean, even you can see right here, like this is, A++ perfect, like perfect. Took a small loss today. All good, bro. Just, keep your head up and come back tomorrow to do the same thing tomorrow, Nothing changes. Nothing changes.
Going flip back green. Might just grind higher all day at this point. The way price looks. Get rid of these mark. What are...
Should I LARP a little bit?
Yeah, now we're trading above that daily gap. To be honest, today could close the gap and inverse it upwards, and then
All-time
what?
highs?
Then what yeah, honestly, then all-time highs. Really?
Okay, you still holding? You still holding good shit, bro. It's a good patience tester. I like it. We're drawing.
Yeah, this looks like it
Yeah.
just grind higher.
ES about to take London High here. And then
Yep.
right above it is Asia, so just watch for that.
Yeah, strong shit. Mm-mm.
I'm in on paper. Just got in at 239 to Asia high.
There's London on ES.
Yeah, that was a strong 5-minute close.
Mm-hmm.
I think we do just keep grinding higher, in my opinion.
Yeah, I agree too.
Daily ends up closing that gap.
Yeah, Ronnie, definitely bullish. We took Asia high there on ES.
Yeah.
That's it, done. SMT at the high. Insane, fellas. Actually insane. Like actually
Yeah,
insane.
fucking. I was just done off the fucking 1 minute open.
Yeah. No, today was insane. Yeah, Tony, here's the settings right here.
Granted, my trade I guess was a 15-minute trade from the pre-market, but we called the open out perfectly. I anticipated it was just gonna dump right off the rip, and that's exactly what happened.
This was insane. Insane trading day.
Yeah, it was clean.
Holding till Asia high, really? Wow.
Better than me.
Better than me. Yo. You saw it. Anyways.
Okay. Let's see how it reacts to this order block right here. Either still bullish or we get an inverse right here. And the CISD, baby.
You got that S&T at Asia technically.
Okay. The inside of it. That's another thing I don't like. If it has like a soft reaction to an order block that I'm, targeting, then I'll leave that shit alone. It's probably a lower one that it's waiting for.
Yeah, that's better, honestly.
Yeah.
I think Dodge had taken that 1 minute inverse at the bottom, Jan.
Did he? He probably did, honestly.
I just saw it on
That's
Twitter
the
now.
reaction I look for. Right there.
If you want to get the link, you click the link in my bio, and then it's IFEG Ultimate Plus. Last, Martin, nah, I wouldn't just take this 1 minute IFEG. The indicator didn't even alert it. I personally would not take that.
Asia is right there though.
Apparently, Topstuff had a Super Bowl commercial.
I saw like a comment or somewhere, or a message somewhere in a group chat. I did see that.
Yeah.
Oh, TJR
I've
posted
seen it
that.
on, yeah, TJR posted on like Twitter like an hour ago saying they had a commercial.
Yeah.
I did not see that. That's insane.
I didn't even see, honestly.
Yeah, we got a 30-second CISD, so and on paper here just to see probably like a break even at that 174, and then target somewhere below that. Probably like 116. That's the last bearish order block or bullish order block.
Capo, I took my trade last night during Asia, so I actually didn't trade New York session today. I was kind of just tape reading with you guys. Same TP, same SL, good shit, bro. Do you ever use a 5 minute as the fair value gap tap? Yeah, all the time. Or just a 15. No, I use a 5 minute as well. You know, it doesn't matter. Like, pro tip also, you see how there's this dot next to this 5 minute fair value gap right here? This means that this is an unmitigated fair value gap. So like if you were to, like if you did take, this inverse right here, if we get this 2 minute close right here, right, and if you do end up taking this, like this is basically the MEC model. You know, you're targeting unmitigated 5 minute fair value gap. This is basically the MEC model right here. So pro tip, yeah. I don't think so. Unfortunately, you know, it's Dodge's product. It's not, you know, really our product to sell. We kind of just, you know, made it for him. So you would have to kind of ask him and talk to him about that. I know he did originally offer a lifetime package, but I think he got rid of it. So you'd be break even at, you know, this unmitigated 5-minute fair value gap if you end up taking this trade right here. Yeah.
Crazy flip down that Asia S&T.
Crazy edge.
Mhm.
Guess we're just edging here all day.
Yeah,
There
so
we go.
if you did take that signal, you'd be break even here. That 5-minute unfilled.
This next target will probably be like swing low at, I guess, 092.
092. See that low.
Lucas, like, I mean, every day is kind of different. Yesterday I had a good day. I made $1,000 per account, so it was a 5K day. But you know, every day kind of varies. It's not every day is the same.
I don't like the way it's reacting at this level though.
Yeah, we're just in that 5-minute gap.
I mean, drawdown kind of, you know, depends for everyone else. I like to kind of be right, so I'll go for like higher win rate, and lower RR. So like 1-to-1s I found to work for me. You got to just kind of find what works best for you and kind of stick with it. I don't trade Forex. Don't trade Apex. Not anymore. What grade was the sell? B+. This, you would be break even though at this 5-minute unfilled, so I would not be taking this anymore, fellas. It looks like you would have gotten stopped at break even or very close to it right here. So let's see. I like this indicator. Yeah, thank you, bro. If you know who Dodgy is and you know his IFAG strategy, you'll know that, you know, every single entry right here that you see on your screen is very valid. You know, this was all super valid trades. Unfortunately, we don't sell it. It's Dodgy's indicator. We just built it for him, so we don't have any discount codes or anything. What grade is the long? Which long? This one was a B+, right? And then this one was an A+. I'm gonna make a video on this one and this one today, on this short entry and then this flip long. This is a really good trade, A+. Are you trading all the signals? Not all the signals. You still got to use a lot of human discretion behind every single one of the trades. I highly recommend. Thank you, Nick. Yeah, W. It was a fire day. This trade would have been a break even, guys. This short right here. So this is why, you know, you got to use human discretion. You can see that we're really strong right here. I wouldn't really just take the first inverse down after we edge Asia high. Yes, we have an SMT at the highs, but we're super strong, right? There's no reason why we should really SMT here. Why we should really, not take out Asia high. All we did was just, you know, soup this low inside of this unmitigated 5-minute fair value gap and look at the strong reaction that we're getting out of it now. You know, that's why human discretion is super strong and super powerful sometimes. You really got to use human discretion all the time. What trades do you only take A+? No, I keep my settings on C and above. See now the indicator's starting to alert a bunch of alerts because it's we're starting to get a little rangy. So you got to use a lot of human discretion. Like, I don't know if I would really take this. Like, maybe just this I would take because the Asia draw high right here. Actually, we just put in SMT, so now I would not be taking this. Or if you did take this, I'd be break even instantaneously right now. But no, I keep my setups on C and above, and I use a lot of human discretion behind every single one of the trades. So yeah, like these two setups right here, I would not be taking, right? We had a signal right here, a signal right here, and a signal right here. I'd be taking those, but you know, I can't really vouch for anything else that happens really after 10:30, 11 o'clock with the indicator. So I'm kind of just gonna not show you guys anything else, and then just really just show this right here. B, if you join our link in bio, the free Discord, you can check the pinned messages in the futures chat. Those are my settings. Now the indicator is not free. It's $40 a month. All right, I'm back. Yeah, I don't know. It's starting to get a little rangy. We have SMT now at this high. I think.
Yeah.
I think we should. I think we should call it here. I don't want people to get tripped up.
Yeah, I'm good whenever.
All right, guys. Maybe not stop yet, but does anyone have any questions or want to go over anything? Go over any concepts? Go over any trades? We'll give about 5 minutes. Five minutes for questions. I see Hyman's typing. Hyman's begging to come up on stage right now.
Bro.
Hello, my friend.
Yeah, what's up?
What confluences do you use? I like to use a high time frame fair value gap, some sort of manipulation inside of that high time frame fair value gap, and then an inverse fair value gap. Jaime, you take anything?
I just took the short right at open.
Nice. You banked?
Yeah, I only took this on the EL, so.
Okay. Nice. Good stuff.
I don't like what's up with Alpha. I tried to take a gold trade in the Asia session today, but they just limited me to 1 micro.
Yeah.
I just couldn't even take 5 micros.
Yeah, even Alpha switched it too.
No, yeah, but like they did send the notice out that you can take 5 micros on a 50K account. So I did contact support after that. So they said, yeah, they're working to fix this issue. So.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, I think the only firm that doesn't have limits is Tradeify right now.
And Take Profit Trader.
Oh yeah, TBT.
Lucid Trading too.
Oh, Lucid doesn't have any restrictions on
Lucid has no limits on gold trading, right?
Wow.
I don't think so. Not that I know of.
Yeah, not yet.
Solid.
We have a CISD based model, Ronnie. That's just a different entry confirmation. Order blocks I don't use, however. I do not use those at all. Can you replace the 7 to 15 candles settings with a text box that user can enter any integer? We could. However, Dodgy kind of wanted us to have that setting particular. We could maybe talk to him about changing it though. So I'll talk to him.
Trademark.
All right, guys. If there's no other questions, kind of end it here. Today was a good session. We will.
Yeah, very solid.
Yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow for Tuesday.
Sir.
Yes,
See you guys tomorrow morning.
Peace out, fellas.
Catch y'all, boys.
Later.
Peace.
It is, bro.